Dear students, now start exercise 29B. In this exercise, only 5 questions are there. Out of these 5 questions, question 1, 4 and 5 are same question. 1, 4 and 5. In first question, all the 3 sides are given. The measurement of all these sides are given. AB this centimeter, BC this centimeter, CA this centimeter. Using these measurements, simply we can draw the triangle. Then the circumcircle or encircle, whatever question one. So first of all, how to draw the triangle? This is the main point. Then after the construction of circle. So using these 3 sides, all the 3 sides are given. All the 3 sides are given. X, Y, Y, Z means both the sides are 4.5. So 4.5, 4.5, 6.4. In the question number 5, PQR, PQRP, PQQR, RB, all the 3 sides are 5.7 centimeter. This will be equilateral triangle. Means question 1, 4 and 5. In these 3 questions, all the 3 sides are given. So simply how to construct the triangle using 3 sides? This is very simple question. Question second and third, these 2 questions are different from these questions. In question number 2, QR, one side is given, 2 angles are given. Use one side and 2 angles. This triangle we have to construct first, then circle. In question number 3, one angle and 2 sides are given. One angle and 2 sides are given. Here one side and 2 angles are given. These 2 questions are different a little. Question number 1, 4 and 5 are the same questions. So out of these 3 questions, question number 1 I will explain you how to construct the triangle using the given all the 3 sides. In question number 2 and 3, using a angle also, how to construct the triangle, and then circumference or circumcircle or encircle we will learn one by one. Question number 1, AB equal to 4.2 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter and CA 5 centimeter. Out of 3 sides, draw any one side. Mostly we prefer side BC, so draw side BC. This is B and C. The measurement is 6 centimeter. You know how to draw the side of 6 centimeter. Draw, measure the 6 centimeter. Place the scale here and draw. This is side BC 6 centimeter. Now AB, where will be AB? This is B and this is C, means A will be here anywhere. This is 4.2 centimeter. So using the scale, take an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Place here, taking B as a center. Draw an arc of 4.2 centimeter like this. This is arc of 4.2 centimeter. AC, this is C. A will be here on this arc. This will be 5 centimeter. So take an arc of 5 centimeter, placing the scale here. Taking C as a center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter. This will pass through there. Means this is point A. Both arc intersected to each other at the point A. This is AB and this is AC. This is 4.2 centimeter AB, 4.2 centimeter. This is AC, 5 centimeter. This is the triangle. Then construction steps of the triangle. First of all, draw a line segment BC equal to 6 centimeter. Taking B as a center, draw an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Taking C as a center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Both arc intersected to each other at the point A. Join A, B, A, C. This is the triangle. Now we have to construct the circumcircle. So how to construct the circumcircle? We already know how to construct the circumcircle. Take any 2 perpendicular bisector, PC and AC. Take the perpendicular bisector of BC, this. Both perpendicular bisector intersected to each other. Now perpendicular bisector of AC, this is C, this is A. Both perpendicular bisector to each other at the point O. This is the origin. Now taking OA or OB or OC as a radius and draw a circle which pass all the 3 vertices ABC. This is your complete construction. Now you have to write the construction steps. So you will write the construction steps. Point 1, which was the first point? Draw a line segment BC equal to 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment BC equal to 6 centimeter. Point 2, taking B as a center, draw an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Taking B as a center, draw an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Taking C as a center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Third point, taking C as a center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter. First of all, draw BC equal to 6 centimeter. Second, draw taking B as a center, draw an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Third, taking C as a center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Both arcs intersect to each other at the point A. Both arcs intersect at point A. Fifth, join AB and AC. This is triangle ABC. This is your triangle ABC. Now, how to construct the circumcircle? These are the steps of triangle ABC. Point 6. Draw perpendicular bisector of BC and AC. Draw perpendicular bisector of BC and AC. Both intersect at O. It is center of circle. Now 7th point, taking O as a center and OA, OB or OC and OA as radius, draw a circle which pass through A, B and C. This is the circumference. How these construction steps are? There are 7 steps, but you don't write. You do not have to write the 7 steps. Only 3 or 4 steps you have to write. That will be given in your notes, which will be provided as a PDF. I hope this question is clear to you. Question number 1. Now question 2 and 3 are the same questions. So out of these 2 and 3 questions, one first question will be given to you only. So let's start question number 2. In this question number 2, one side and 2 angles are given. Using one side and 2 angles, we have to construct the triangle first, and then encircle or circumcircle. Then we have to construct the circumcircle. So first of all, draw line segment Q and R. This is 5.5 centimeter. Now according to question, angle Q is 60 degree, means at this angle, at this point we have to draw an angle of 60 degree, and you already know how to construct an angle, which is already we have completed in previous chapter. So at the point Q, you have to construct an angle of 60 degree. You know, place a small arc, taking Q as a center, means draw an small arc and place the pointer here. Again draw an arc here, join this angle will be 60 degree, this angle, and extend this line up to this. This is the angle Q, 60 degree. Similarly at the point R, angle 45. So in order to draw the angle of 45, place the pointer here, draw an arc like this, place the pointer here, draw an arc again, this will be 60, draw an arc again, this will be 60 also, 60 and 60 120. Now take the half of 120, place the point here, this, place the point here, this and this, so this will be 90. This is 90 degree, but we want the 45 degree of angle, not 90 degree. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, the half of 60 and 120 will be 90 degree. Now we want the angle of 45 degree. If we bisect the angle of 90 degree, this is 0 degree through this line, this is 90 degree, we want 45 degree. So if we bisect the angle of 90 degree, angle of 45 will be there. So place the point here, draw an arc like this, place the point here, draw an arc like this, means this angle will be of 45 degree. This is 90, the bisector of 90 will be 45. These two lines intersect to each other at the point P. This is the angle PQR. How to construct the circumcircle? You already know. Any two bisector, both intersect at the point O, that will be the center. Taking OP, OQ or OR as radius, draw a circle which will be passed through PQR, that will be the circumference. I hope you have clear everything. So this exercise 29B you have to complete today. If you have any type of doubt in this video, you can watch the video, and if everything is clear, this video is helpful to you, press the like button, otherwise dislike. And if you want to watch the fundamental concept, fundamental basic of this chapter, you can watch the previous video. Link will be given in the description of the video. Thank you, students.